welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I like to prepare a refreshing michelada with my homemade chamoy. So in case you guys want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with the ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 1 teaspoon of your choice of chile. I'm using California chili powder, 1 cup of hibiscus, 1 cup of dry apricots, 15 dry prunes, a half a cup of Tajín, half a cup of sugar, a half a lime, 2 cups of water, 4 ounces of clamato juice, Tabasco sauce, jugo Maggie sauce, Worcestershire sauce, Tajín, and your choice of beer. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to start by removing the pit from the prune. So just squeeze it out. It's easy. And you don't break your prune. Alright, so once we have removed the pit from the prunes, we are ready to bring them to a boil. Alright guys, so in a small saucepan, I'm going to set it on medium-high heat. I'm going to add my 2 cups of water. And I'm going to wait for that to heat up a little. Alright, so after a few minutes, we're going to add our jamaica, our prunes, dry apricots. Going to mix it. The jamaica and the hibiscus is the same thing, so don't get confused. So now I'm going to add my Tajín, my sugar, and my powdered chile. So mix it, and now we're just going to wait for that to come to a simmer. Alright guys, so once it begins to simmer, we're going to give it a quick mix. We're going to lower it on the stove on low-medium heat. We're going to cover it and let it simmer for another 20 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been 20 minutes. So this is what our sauce looks like now. We're just going to let it cool down for a little bit before we mix it. Alright guys, so now you just want to try it to see if you want it to be a little bit more sweet or more spicy. So right now is the perfect time to do that. For me, this is fine. This is how I like it. So now that it has cooled down a little bit, we're going to blend it. So I'm just going to add my whole mixture into my blender. And we're just going to blend it all together until we have a smooth sauce. Now, if you want it to be smoother or more watery, then you can add a little bit more water. But for me, this is fine. So now we're just going to blend. Alright, so now we're just going to transfer into our bowl. Alright guys, so if you decide not to add water, this is the consistency that you're going to get. It's more like a pulp. So if you do decide to add water to make it more of a runny consistency, like I did here, this is what you're going to get. Here I added 2 cups of water. And as you can see, it's more runny and more like a chamoy. Okay, so now we are ready to make our micheladas. Alright guys, and now for the fun part, making our michelada. So I'm going to grab my cup and I'm going to dip it in my chamoy. Okay, so after we're going to dip it in the Tajín. And of course, if you don't want to do this step, you can always just rim your cup with lime and Tajín. Okay, so after that we are ready to start up. I'm going to start with my lime juice, half of my lime. Alright, so I'm going to add 5 drops of this sauce, 5 of Tabasco sauce, and 10 of my Maggie jugo sauce. And then I'm going to pour my clamato juice. Going to mix it. And of course, all these ingredients, you know, you can add it depending on how you like it. This is just how I like mine. I'm going to add my ice. Ready? So now I'm just going to add my beer. So I'm just going to add some more ice. Just to fill up my cup. Okay, we're gonna mix it. And now we're just going to top it with some Tajín. Okay, and this is it. Alright guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Cheers. Seriously, so good, so refreshing. And the chamoy is just a cherry on top. Super delicious. And another thing, you guys, if you also, for the chamoy, you can always grab your favorite beer and dip it, and just use it in the Tajín too, and just drink it like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I like to prepare my micheladas with my homemade chamoy. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta.